What's up guys, Bowman here, back with another video. So thanks for tuning in and joining my channel. So today we have an unboxing for this Apple Watch Ultra. Now I ordered this online and it came in this packaging. So let's go ahead and open it up. So it comes in this really heavy cardboard packaging. We're just going to take it out of here. So that's it. So that's the packaging it came in. Second off is the watch. Now, as you can see over here, it's embossed on the box. The packaging is pretty much matte. On the rear, it gives you the details. It says Apple Watch Ultra titanium case, 49 millimeters, and it's got a medium band. Now, the thing is that it was very hard to find this model, but I was just lucky that I ordered it online. I got it on time. And apart from that, it's got these pull tabs, so let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, that's beautiful. Right, so it's got some artwork over here which depicts that I don't know, mountains, and we have the Apple Watch logo over here, and it's a bit embossed as well. So this is some sort of catalog, and it shows you the 3 different loops. So that's alpine, ocean, and trail. And it tells you a little bit of information how to charge your Apple Watch and some settings. And over here we have some information as well on the back. Quite interesting. So let's carry on. Now, this box is basically in 2 parts. So one is the watch and the second is the band. I ordered the band, which is sort of olive green, you can say. So you can see over here, got these matte metal bits at the end. But I did order other bands as well, so I'm going to use those. So I'm just going to keep this on the side. Okay, so this is the real deal. Just looking at the box, it's very simple, very slim, just like the iPhone, slightly thinner than the iPhone box. I did order the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is just on my right. And on my left, I have my Apple Watch Series 4. It's got the serial number at the bottom, nothing else. And on the left, and it says Ultra titanium case, and that's it. So that's it. I'm just going to show you here. And we've got these 2 pull tabs. The box opens up really smoothly. So inside the box you have this emboss as well. And here we have the leaflets, very Apple typical. It comes with the charging cable. Okay, so this is the Apple Watch Ultra. So I've taken it out and I've pressed the button on the bottom. So you have this button over here and you have the digital crown. It seems very premium, really premium. The bottom is some sort of plastic cover or coating, and then you have these 4 dots. You have sort of 3 micro holes over here, 1, 2, and 3, and you have a hole over here as well. You have a speaker cutout, I'm thinking, and this is another button over here which is orange. As soon as you turn it on, it says Apple Watch, bring iPhone near to your Apple Watch. That's what it's showing. Now the thing is that I got these 3 bands. This is the trail band, that's the ocean band, and that is the alpine band. They're not the original ones, but they seem to be made pretty well. So seems perfectly fine. There's no issue in, like, you know, when I put the band in. And I'm going to now set it up with my iPhone. It says set up Apple Watch, set up myself, set up for a family member. All you need to do is set up for myself if you are, and then just hold the watch. And then are you going to wear it on your left or right wrist? I normally wear it on my left wrist, so it's going to go left, and then that's going to set up the wrist preference. Next we have, it says connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. I think it's just activating the watch. So accept terms and conditions, and then it says what sort of text do you want, bold, how bold. And the funny thing is, as you move it along, it depicts it on the watch's screen as well. Action button is the one on the left, the orange one, so that's called the action button. I didn't know that. I would highly recommend to basically update your Apple Watch. So I've got the iOS, I've got the watch OS 9.1 to be installed, and till then it's going to be installed. And that is it. Altimeter over here. I'm not sure if you guys can have a look. So there are these numbers which are just changing. I think so. It's some sort of height or something, or maybe waypoint. That might be the case. And on the left, you have got the activity tracker. So as soon as I touch it, it's very, very responsive, what I've noticed. And I'm just going to hit the home button. I'm guessing that this is the home button. Oh yeah, no, the digital crown is the home button. So if I click that, it just takes me back. And then if I were to click it back again, it brings me to the watch. Right, guys? So guys, this was my very quick unboxing for the Apple Watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give that thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys, and catch you in my next video, and bye for now.